comfortable. It's nice. Seems good. And it's showing the mute button in here. You see the volume up, plus and minus, the power off button, menu power on, and it's gonna be blink the lights here, LED lights. It's very light, seems very light. I have some headphones, so heavy. This one is the light, you see. It's very comfortable to the heads, perfectly. Yeah, that seems awesome. It's so good. With this, I have one that for giving the power for Bluetooth. This headphone have a range for 15 meter, and the battery is like 21 hours. Continuously 21 hours you can use it, or 19 to 21 hours. I remember, very lightweight. If you are gonna read in the boxes, it says that you see light speed wireless RGB gaming headset. So awesome, that one. That's some of my Indian streamer, my friend. He recommend that on the stream. I saw his stream every day, and it's there. He recommend. It's so light. It's 278 grams just. See the 29 hours. Yes, I'm sorry for that. 20 hour minimum is 29 hours. Almost there, 29 hours. So good. The range, I don't know where is the range. Say that it's 20 meter. Yeah, I told you the 20 meter. You say the 20 meter. That's good. And the thing is, like, this have a mic. You see the mic. The mic come with the Blu-rays. The Blu-rays, the mic, the microphones. You saw those very good microphones, very expensive and very good microphones that are already inbuilt, so you don't need the microphone. Somehow kind like sometimes we need that microphone, but like starting you don't need microphone. This headphone is best for the streaming. Have a good. I will put the link in my video in the description. You can go and take it. Have a great day. Bye bye. Peace.